Seems like a more appropriate place to start a vlog than A, but today we're at Paultons Park and it's my first ever visit and we're going straight on to Storm Chaser. Tom's finished his walk. Hello! Really proud of those boys. If you haven't been following, they walked all the way from Yorkshire down to here, which is like over 200 miles, which is, well, a pretty impressive feat of just human endurance. But yeah, now we're going to go on, I think it's called Storm Chaser. First impressions, oh that looks dark. No, it looks amazing. The theme in it is so cool. I'll take you on a ride, got the old goey going. See you in a bit. Do the shocker, bro. Yeah, that's it. Oh! We're spinning. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh my god! First reviews of Storm Chaser are that it's bloody epic. I have never done a like real roller coaster before, so that's my first one. Get me ready for the old rides of happiness. But, Jesus Christ, there's like this helix bit. It is so intense, you're like being pushed so far down to the seat, but yeah, amazing.
What agreement? We're not spinning. No, I was told no spinning.
Just like a little.
We're not on a round bit.
Who chose
static?
Who chose this one? So we have just done Storm Chaser. The Cyclonator one broke down, but I think we're going to try and do that now. We did the spinning teacups, but we didn't fancy spinning. We're just kind of like doing the adult thing and not spinning at all. Is there more? Cyclonator. I thought that I was gonna like it, but then honestly I really didn't. Not because it was like rough or anything, but just the old TomTom. I just couldn't hack it. So I don't know, I used to be fine with intense rides like that, but not anymore. It was very similar to like Maelstrom. I think I prefer Maelstrom more because it's a bit smoother. But yeah, that'll definitely wake you up. Now we've headed over to the other end of the park to do some of the other big roller coasters. There's a real dinosaur. Oh my goodness.
So we're going to get photos with you.
Dinosaur.
If you'd like one on your phone,
1, 2, 3, roar!
Was that good enough? Oh, we got a little roar from you. You're still practicing your roar, aren't you? It's not quite there yet. It's good though.
So I've got no idea where the last clip was left off, but we did a little bouncy kid roller coaster. But now we're going to do Velociraptor, which is a boomerang. Yeah, these things are great. I love the old backwards and forwards kind of. Yeah, so cool. The queues are completely empty at Paultons today. There's literally like no one here, so it's kind of like the ideal time to go for it because like you don't have to queue for anything. Perfect. Absolutely love that. actually got a good amount of space in there. Love that.
6 inches.
Love that for me. Woo! Oh!
Didn't even break.
Oh, bloody hell.
No.
No, not again. Oh. What noise is?
I can't even make a noise because I just sit there tennis.
Here we go. Hands in the air.
No.
Oh, bloody no! So that was I don't know what the rides are. Tom, what is the name of the drop tower?
Magma.
Magma.
Yeah, it's like not lava.
Oh, okay. Cheers.
I don't know how to describe not lava.
The Magma. Cool. So that was Magma and the Cobra. Little drop tower, and then this bobsleigh coaster. Yeah, amazing. There's this shed just here. I'll show you now. And it comes so close to. You feel like your hand's gonna get cut off. Look. Having an amazing time. It's cool just to hang out with everyone. We've done all the roller coasters. So now it's just kind of get something to eat. Just do the rides again. The best bit is definitely the new Storm Chaser area. Looks amazing. I'm really, really impressed. That gives like Disney run for its money. Yeah, can't recommend coming here enough.
Why is the boat so wet?
Do I leave my bag on?
Yeah.
This is bloody ridiculous. No, 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 no. You're soaked, mate. You've got water all up your back. Do you see his back?
I told you to go on the end one, so you.
We've just did this disgusting, I don't know what it's called, Buffalo Falls. It,
I had a battle plate on the first.
it like has these water sprinklers at the beginning, and you just like get covered in water just before you even come down the slide. Look at this. This was awful. Yeah, not a massive fan. Unsurprisingly, we're going to do Storm Chaser again. I think this is the 4th time in a row. It's had a 0-minute queue all day. It's just absolutely perfect. Oh dear. So at this point of the day, we've just been doing tons of re-rides, getting on the main coasters. There aren't tons. There's like 3. Oh, there's 4 like big roller coasters. We've just been like doing them on and off. I'm feeling a little bit ropey from doing all the roller coasters. Might have to take a little bit of a break. I don't know what. Oh, we've only got about 50 minutes left of the park. But yeah, having a great time, but not sad to go home. So that's pretty much it for today. Ended it with a ride on Storm Chaser, the way that we started today. Yeah, all in all, Paultons Park is a really awesome park. It definitely feels like a theme park of like 2 halves. You've got like the new like with all the new rides, and then the kind of like the other half Y.M.C.A, which is not as themed, but if they go around and update everything, it's going to be awesome. I've had an amazing time, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!